Hello and welcome to this maths video. Today we are going to be covering the subject of interior and exterior angles in polygons. So, to start off, I'm going to show you a diagram here which shows the total amount of angles and the total angle that all the angles in this polygon add up to. So to start off with, you have a triangle which is 180, then you have a square which is 360, and then you keep going to 540, 720, and you keep going. So just have a moment to have a look at this. So you may be given any of these polygons in your exam, but normally it's 6 sides or above. But you might not always know this. So, for example, we use a sum or a very easy strategy. So it's 360 over something. Now this something equals what you want to find out. So if you have the amount of sides, and you're given the amount of sides, you would do 360. In this case, we have 6 sides. So we do 360 divided by 6, which gives us this answer. So 360 divided by 6 is, of course, 60. But what is 60 in this context? So if I show you something here, you can see the angles all inside of this polygon are all equal. But there are also different angles outside called exterior angles, and the ones in the inside are obviously called interior angles. So this 60 tells us what one in exterior angle is. And we can use this to help us find out what one angle interior angle is. However, we can use this strategy, 360 over or divided by something, to get a different answer. So, in this diagram I'm showing you, we are given the exterior angle. But we aren't given the amount of sides there are on this polygon. So we don't know how to continue the questions. But we can use this strategy and flip it the other way round. We can do 360 divided by exterior angle to find out how many sides there are. So, of course, 45 degrees is our exterior angle. Let me show you that. So we do 360 divided by 45 is... Okay, so that's 8. So we found out that in this polygon, there are 8 sides. You may be asked to find an interior angle when you're given an exterior angle. Now, of course, this is quite simple. So angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So still in this case, if you were given an exterior angle of 45, of course, the interior angle will be 180 minus 45, 135. So I've shown you there that we can use 360 divided by the amount of sides to find our exterior angle. I've shown you that we can use 360 divided by our exterior angle to find out how many sides there are. So in this example, you've been told there is a 10-sided shape. Always highlight the key words. So I'm going to highlight 10-sided polygon. This is a bit different because it's asked you to find A, B, C. So I'm also going to highlight the angle ABC and draw in the angle line. I'm showing you this here. So this is an interior angle because at each vertice or point there's going to be an angle and they all are equal. So we can use our 360 divided by 10 sides to find out our exterior angle. And we need to find out our exterior angle because we do use angles on a straight line. So we do our exterior angle, you take it away from 180 to find out our interior angle. So we're going to do 360 divided by 10, which is of course 36. So 36 is our exterior angle. So 180 minus 36, because angles on a straight line add up to 180, the answer is 144. So ABC is equal to 144. Now, on the subject of interior and exterior angles, you need to know that O is the centre point. And 9 times out of 10, they say that O is the centre point. Now this is very key. As you can see, they want you to find out ODE. So I'm going to highlight ODE. So I like to call this a cheese slice. As you can see, O, two lines from each vertex link to make an isosceles triangle 2O, and we call this a cheese. But as you can notice, if I draw an interior angle, in this case was 144, you can see that one of the angles at the bottom of the isosceles triangle, which will be equal a half of our interior angle. So that's 144 divided by 2, which is 72. So that means